Hey guys, what do you think about mirroring your iPhone using an HDMI cable? Like this. Look at that. Yeah, so as you can see, I have the mirroring up here and I can just mirror my iPhone. How cool is this? Right? Okay, I'll tell you what. I got this cable from Amazon. It is an HDMI cable to lightning cable. So the thing that you have to know about this is all you have to do is download the mirroring app, which is this one that can be found on the App Store. Mirroring Helper is the name. Yes, this is the Mirroring Helper. So before you plug in the HDMI cable, all you have to do is open the Mirroring Helper app and plug it in. And then in just a few seconds, you can mirror your iPhone. And look at this. If you want to take a picture or video of yourself, you can use this big TV. Open your camera app. And there you go. You can see yourself. So if you have a family gathering and you want to have a picture of the family on the couch, you can see yourself on the TV. And of course you can set your timer, and I think that's really cool. Yeah. Yep. And it's very smooth. Pretty cool. If you are interested in this product, you can check my Amazon shop. It's amazon.com/shop/Lynleys World, or you can check my link in my description down below. If you find this cool, please hit like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.